Dear student, I am starting your lecture number 16 in a binary number system chapter. Today I am discussing access 3 code. Access 3 code. The access 3 code is a modified BCD code. Access 3 code can be obtained by adding decimal number 3 to the each digit of a given decimal number. Then it is represented in a 4-bit binary number. Listen again. Access 3 code can be obtained by adding 3 decimal number into each digit of a given decimal number. Then it is represented in a 4-bit binary number. Suppose you want to obtain access 3 code of decimal number 12. How to obtain? To find the decimal to access 3 code of a 12, I told you add decimal number 3 into each decimal number. So I have added, look here, I have added decimal number 3. I have added decimal number 3 into first digit and the second digit separately. Then this number is represented in a 4-bit binary number. This number is represented in a 4-bit binary number. This is called access 3 code of a decimal number 12. So access 3 code of a decimal number 12. This is your access 3 code of a decimal number 12. I think you understand. I think you understand. Listen again. Access 3 code of any given decimal number can be obtained by adding 3 decimal number into each decimal number digit or each digit of a decimal number. Then this is represented by 4-bit binary number. It means if you are having a n-bit decimal number, then is access 3 code as a n4 number of the bit. Access 3 code of n digit of decimal number can be represented by n into 4n, 4 or 4n bits. It is represented by how much bits? 4n. If it is a 2 digit of decimal number, then it require how much bit? 8 bit. Look here, 8 bit. Suppose you want to write decimal number, you want to write access 3 code of 15. Then I have to add three decimal number to the each digit, and this is represented in a 4-bit. So you can say access 3 code of 15 is nothing but the 0100 100. How much digit of decimal number? 1 and 2. How much binary bit is required? 8. So access 3 code require more space. It require more space and more number of bit compared to the binary. See, binary numbers of 15 is equal to 1111. So it require only 4 bit, and this require 8 bit. This took the more space. This is taking more space, less space. So XS3 code require more space and more time to transmit from one point to another point compared to binary. Now I am showing you the XS3 code of a single digit decimal number and their BCD in a following table. Decimal number is corresponding BCD number is corresponding XS3 code. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I told you have to add here 3. 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 1, 1. So this is the XS3 code of a decimal number 0. So 0, 0, 0, 1, I have to add 0, 0, 1, 1. So it is 0, 0, 1. So write 0, you can say yes, 1, 0, 0. So for 2, I have to add like this 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. For 4, 0, 1, 0, 0 is BCD. Here is corresponding XS3 code is 0, 1, 1, 1. So it's very easy. You have to add here one bit only, so you will get your idea how to say I am writing. You do the practice for your writing to preparing. So in these tables, here single decimal number I have written 0 to 9 is corresponding BCD numbers, and corresponding XS3 number, XS3 code is given. So I have to add here 3. If you add the 3, 0, 1, 1, 1. 3 years, 1 plus 3, 4 you will get. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 3 is 6. You can check. This is your here 7, this is your 7 plus 3, 10, 8, 11, 9, 12. So in this way you can write the XS3 code of this single digit, and for double digit I have shown this way you can write the XS3 code of any decimal number system. In a BCD, 9's complement can be obtained by subtracting each decimal number from 9. The 9's complement can be obtained by subtracting each decimal digit from 9, or 9's complement can be obtained by adding 1010 in a first complement of BCD form. Listen, I am writing this sentence. The 9's complement of any decimal number of any decimal number, first complement of BCD of given decimal number plus 1010, you will get 9's complement. Listen again. The 9's complement of decimal number, already we did 9's complement, can be obtained by subtracting each decimal number from 9. This is another way. 9's complement of decimal number is equal to first complement of BCD of a given decimal number plus 1010. Means you have to add 1010 to the first complement of BCD of a given decimal number. Okay. Now, in a XS3 code, if you want to find the 9's complement, so 9's complement is nothing but the first complement of XS3 code of a given decimal number. Listen, 9's complement of decimal number can be also obtained first complement of XS3 code of a given decimal number. So remember these two. On the basis of these two, I am solving some numerical. Listen, 9's complement of decimal number is nothing but the first complement of BCD of a given decimal number and add 1010. In XS3 codes, the 9's complement of decimal number is nothing but the first complement of XS3 code of a given decimal number. Let us see the numerical based on these two. See, this is the question. Find the BCD code and its 9's complement for the following decimal number. So let us start for the first 5. So BCD code of 5 I have to write first 0101. What is 9's complement? 9's complement of decimal number 5 is nothing but the first complement, you remember, first complement of BCD code of 5 and add 1010. So I am writing first complement of BCD code of this and I am adding to this. So what is the first complement? 1010 plus I have to add this, add 10 0, 1 plus 1 0, carries 1, 1 plus 1 0, carries 1. Discard this carry, discard carry. So your answer is 0100. So this is the 9's complement of 5. See what is the way we have done. This already you have done 9's complement of 5 in a previous lecture you have done, but this is another way we are doing. Listen, find the BCD code of this. What is the BCD code? BCD code is this. Now what is the second thing I have to find? 9's complement for the following decimal. 9's complement of this. So what is the 9's complement? 9's complement is nothing but the first complement of the BCD code of 5 plus 1010. So I am doing this. What is the first complement of 5? The first complement of 5 is the what? 0, 1, 1, 0. You know, first complement of 0 is 1. For 1 is 0. For 0 is 1, for 1 is 0, and in that I would add this. So this carry I have discarded. So my answer is this. Let us see for the 27. B 27. Okay, so BCD code for 27. You already know this: 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. This is 2. This is for 7. First complement. First complement of 0 0 1 0 and 0 1 1 1 is, 1 1 0 1, and 1 0 0 0. Add 1 0 1 0. So I am adding 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. Do the addition binary. 0 1 0. This is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0. Carry is 1. This carry is 1. This carry I am writing here. Now discard this carry. So your answer is this. Look here. This is 1. This is 1. 1 0. Carry is 1. So discard this carry. So 0 1 1 1. So answer is 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0. So this is nothing but the ninth complement of 27 is nothing but the 0 1 1 0 0 1 0. Listen, already you have done. I have to subtract this 7 from 9. So 7 from 9 means 9 minus 7, 2. I have to subtract the 2 from 9, 7. So it is 7. But this is another way we did. What is the way? BCD code of the 27 I have to write. Then I have to take the first complement. Then I have to add 1 0 1 0. Then I have to carry generated is discarded. You will get your answer. Next problem is what? 156. 156. See, 156. BCD code of 156 I would write 1 5 6 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0. First complement of BCD. So I'll get 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1. Add 1 0 1 0. So I am adding this 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0. This is 0. Carry is 1. This carry I have to discard. Now let us do for this. 0. This is 0. Carry is 1. 1 0. Carry is 1. Discard this carry. Third. 0, 0 carries 1, 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 0 carries 1. It is 1 carries 1. Discard this carry. So your answer is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. So 9's complement of 156 is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. You can check it is. See, I told you in XS3 code 9's complement can be obtained by taking the first complement of XS3 code. As a result, XS3 code is known as a self-complementing code. So XS3 code is called self-complementing code. Reason is that 9's complement can be obtained by taking first complement of XS3 code of a given decimal number. Listen, we'll do the numerical based on this. See the numerical, find the XS3 code and then find the 9's complement for the following decimal number. So let us do this numerical answer. Find the XS3 code and the 9's complement for the following decimal number. So for 4 I have to add the 3, or I can write this is your 7. So 0, 1, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 1, 1. So it is, I can write this is your XS3 code of your decimal number 4. 9's complement of 4 is equal to first complement of XS, first complement of XS3 code of 4. So first complement of 0, 1, 1, 1 I have to find. So it is nothing but the 1, 0, 0, 0. So here 1, 0, 0, 0 is a XS3 code of 5. You know 9's complement of 4 is what? 5. 9's complement of the 4 is nothing but the 5. And it is, this is nothing but it is XS3 code of a 5. Listen, what is the way, what I did here? Find the XS3 code. So I find the XS3 code of this. Find the 9's complement. What is the 9's complement we have written? Look here, we have written 9's complement like this. 9's complement we have written in a previous page. 9's complement of the decimal number is the first complement of XS3 code. So that we have done here. Okay. Let us do the second numerical. 56. I want to find XS3 code. So first I am writing BCD code of 56. 0, 0, 1, 0, 1 and 0, 1, 1, 0. Add 3, okay, to get XS3 code. So I am adding this 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1 plus 1 is your 10, 0 carries 1, this 0 carries 1, 1. Now This is your 0 carries 1, 0 carries 1, 0 carries 1. So this is access 3 code of 56 is equal to 1000 1001. Ninth complement of 56 is equal to first complement of access 3 code. So I'll write like this. First complement of 1000 1001, I will write 0111 and 0110. So ninth complement of 56 is nothing but the 011 and this is 1001. So this is in which form? Ninth complement we are doing. Ninth complement 56 after doing the access 3 code. After doing access 3 code. You can say this is access 3 code of a 4, this is access 3 code of a 6, you can say. Let us do the third numerical, 812. I want to find the access 3 code of 812 and its ninth complement. So BCD code I am writing of 812 1000 0001, this 0010. Now and for access 3 code, to get access 3 code of 812, I am adding 0011 0011 0011. You will get, here is 1010, here you will get 0010, here you get 1101. This is access 3 code, access 3 code of 812 1011 0100 0100. This is access 3 code. Ninth complement of 812 in access 3 code is first complement. First complement of 1011 0100 0101. So it is, I have to write 0100 0100. This is 1011 1010. So ninth complement of 812 in access 3 code is 0100 1011 1010. You can see this is the access 3 code of a 1, decimal number 1. This is the access 3 code of a decimal number 8. This is the access 3 code of a decimal number 7. So by taking the first complement of the access 3 code, you can find ninth complement. Okay.